Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to find Facebook pages you've liked and unlike pages in the Facebook app. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. From here, I want you to click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen or bottom right corner of the screen, whichever it is on your end. Now click on Pages. From here, you just need to click on Like Pages at the top. And you can see all the pages you've followed and liked. And if you want to unlike pages, you just need to click on the like button to unlike. And that's it. That's how you find Facebook pages you've liked in the Facebook app and unlike pages. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!